In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create successful Google Ads search campaigns with a focus on campaign structure. This guide will help you navigate through the process step by step, ensuring you understand each phase to create effective ads that reach your desired audience. Let's start by heading over to Google Ads. This is where you'll get the tools to find new customers and enhance your business with online advertising. Once you're on the Google Ads homepage, the first thing you're going to do is click on Sign In. This will prompt you to log in with your Google account details. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be directed to the Google Ads home. Now you're in the right place to begin setting up your campaign. Next, find and click on the Campaign tab. This is your starting point for creating a new ad campaign. Once you click it, you'll see a dashboard that offers various campaign types. Here you should select the type of campaign you want. For example, sales if you're aiming to increase product purchases or leads, if you're looking to gather contact information from potential customers. After selecting your campaign type, it's time to click on Assets. This is an essential feature where you can find the tools to build the components of your ad, such as text, images, and any other elements needed. Clicking here will take you into deeper customization options for your ad. Once you're in the Assets tab, pay special attention to something known as ad extensions. Ad extensions are crucial because they add additional information to your ad, which could include call buttons, links to specific parts of your website, or even location information if you're running a local business. Including these extensions can greatly increase your ad's visibility and effectiveness by providing more context and convenience to potential customers. As you work through each of these steps, remember that your goal is to create an organized structure for your campaign that will entice people to engage with your ad. Make sure that every element aligns with your business objectives, whether it's increasing sales, leads, or web traffic. Also, keep an eye on your campaign's performance metrics regularly. The data you gather from your ad's performance will be invaluable for making adjustments to improve your campaign's efficacy over time. These may involve tweaking your target demographics, adjusting bids, or optimizing ad content based on what resonates best with your audience. By following these structured steps, you'll gain a solid foundation in Google Ads, allowing you to create campaigns that not only reach your audience, but also convert their interest into tangible actions. Good luck, and may your campaigns be successful.